everyone, this is Teacher Kaye and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to understand speed and calculate speed given the total distance and total time. What is speed? Speed is the rate of change of distance, or in other terms, it is the distance traveled per unit time. Like distance, speed does not have direction, so it is also a scalar quantity. Well, if you are not sure about what a scalar quantity is and what a vector quantity is, please check my video right here. And here are some typical values of speed in meters per second. We have walking 1.5, running 3, cycling 6, car 13 to 30, train 50, and airplane 250. I want you to know that when people walk or run or travel in a car, their speed will change. It's not constant. They may speed up, slow down, or pause for traffic. Even the speed of sound may vary. That is why we usually solve for the average speed. When an object moves in a straight line and in a steady speed, you can actually calculate its average speed if you have the total distance traveled and the total time taken. Using this equation, where speed is equal to distance over time, where average speed is measured in meters per second, distance is measured in meters, and time is measured in seconds. For example, a car travels 400 meters in 40 seconds. Calculate its average speed. So first thing to do is to identify the given quantities in this problem. First, we have 400 meters and that is the distance. Second, we have 40 seconds and that is the time taken for the travel to take place. Substituting these quantities in the speed equation, speed is equal to distance over time, we have speed is equal to 400 meters divided by 40 seconds, and there you go, you get 10 meters per second as the speed of the car. You can also solve for the total distance traveled by an object. For example, John decided to cycle to his friend's house at a speed of 6 meters per second, and the journey took 5 minutes. How far did John cycle? By the way, you may also pause this video and try to answer on your own, and when you're done, go back right here and check your answer. Okay, so first let us identify the given quantities in this problem. First, we have here 6 meters per second, which is the speed, and we also have the time, which is 5 minutes. By the way, we have to make sure that all the units are in sync so that we can cancel them out when we do the calculation. So 5 minutes is equivalent to 300 seconds, and that's what we will use. We have to rearrange the speed equation, and it should look like this. Distance is equal to speed multiplied by the time. Substituting the values in the equation, we have distance is equal to 6 times 300. So cancel the seconds out. You get distance is equal to 1,800 meters. You can also solve for the time taken to travel. Here's an example. How much time will it take for a bug to travel 5 meters across the floor if it is traveling at 1 meter per second? So let us identify the given quantities. You have there 5 meters, which is definitely the distance, and we have 1 meter per second, which is actually the speed. Now we have to rearrange the speed equation, and now we have the equation time is equal to distance over speed. Substituting our values into the equation, we now have time is equal to 5 meters divided by 1 meter per second. Cancel out the meters, you get 5 seconds. Now that we've discussed speed, I'll be discussing velocity in my next video. So please hit that notification bell down below and watch out for my next video. Once again, this is Teacher Kaye. Have a great day. Bye!